Hi everyone, my name is Callie Tucker. I am the Regional Admissions Advisor for the Birmingham area. So I am your contact throughout the admissions process, scholarship process, or really anything that has to do with Auburn. So please never hesitate to reach out to me. I do wish I could be with you in person today, but I hope that you are able to gain a little bit of information about Auburn based on this short video. So let's talk a little bit about Auburn. So right now, Auburn has 12 different colleges and schools. Within these 12 colleges and schools, there's over 150 different majors you can choose from. So if you are interested in one of these majors, definitely go online, check out what the curriculum looks like, check out what type of jobs students are receiving once they major in specific departments. A lot of our colleges and school recruiters are also doing virtual meetings and virtual tours right now. So this is a great time to kind of look into one of those options. If you do not know what you want to do right now, that is perfectly okay. There is a major on the admissions application called Explore Your Major. And so that's a great option to select if you really are still trying to decide. Explore Your Major is actually a year-long program that freshmen are able to be a part of. They work very closely with the Career Center, taking career tests, personality type tests, and during that year, you and your advisor will narrow down majors that may be the best fit for you. So know that's a great option. So as far as the admissions timeline this year, things are different as they are with everything in the world at the moment. So we do have some updates to share on the admissions process. The application did open on August 15th. As you can see here, there are multiple deadlines kind of to apply, or dates to apply and then to hear by. So if you apply by September 15th, that'll ensure that you hear an admissions decision in mid-October, and then you can see it kind of follows from month to month after that. As far as the admissions application this year, what it will look like, so you will go to Auburn's website. You can actually either go to Auburn's website or the Common App to apply, so whichever, we do not prefer one over the other, whichever is easiest and most convenient for you. There will be 4 short answer questions on the admissions application. And so they have a 100-word max, so it really does not take a long time to fill that out. About a paragraph per question will be perfect. You will upload your own transcript this year, so that can be an unofficial or an official transcript, whatever you have most available to you. And then you will choose one of 4 supplemental documents to upload. We are test flexible this year, so we are not requiring that you submit a test, but that is still one of the supplemental options. You can send us an ACT or SAT score. Another option is an expanded resume, or an AP or IB score, or a graded writing assignment. So I've been telling students, pick the option that best encompasses who you are as a student in order to submit that to Auburn. Once you are accepted to Auburn, you will be able to fill out our scholarship application. It is one application called AWSOM, AUSOM. It covers all merit-based, general, and departmental scholarships that Auburn has to offer this year. So because we are test flexible, we are doing a holistic review for scholarships this year. So we will look at everything on your admissions application and scholarship application in order to make a decision on those 4 scholarships this year. About 60% of our students receive scholarships each year. So those are, like I said, merit-based, general, departmental. You will be able to upload a resume to the scholarship application and answer short answer questions based on the major you selected to make sure you're considered for everything we have to offer. So that's just kind of a very quick overview of kind of the admissions process this year. Again, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Look into the virtual options we have. Right now, we did just open some on-campus tours for September. Hopefully the ones in October will be opening soon. And if you ever want to schedule a Zoom meeting with me or anything like that, please reach out and let me know. So hope you have a great day, and War Eagle.